So I've already started the unboxing, but what we have here today is the Stove Yukon, and this is the bundle. It comes with what you just see here. Really simple. It's the shelter, which is to protect it, the lid, the shield, flaming ring, removable base plate, ash, and stand. At the end, it'll look all like this, and it gives us some instructions. Basically, what the box brings. Again, this is the Stove Yukon 2.0, and it has lifetime warranty. We'll see if that's true. But again, the bundle comes with several accessories that you don't have to buy anymore. That are extremely important because if you buy them separately, they're very expensive. You can see it comes here with the handles to basically be able to lift up anything without getting burned. And I'll show you that in a little while. And I already took off the top. It came inside here, which was this pan with really nice thick stainless steel. And then it comes with the ring. Of course, later on, once this is all put together, it'll make more sense. And then this is to protect from the ashes and extra stuff coming out of there when you're sitting around the fire pit. So here we are, taking out most of it out. I'm taking out one step at a time. This is what goes in the bottom. Keep it a little bit higher. Everything comes with instructions how to install. I like to separate everything one by one, that way when we finish off the final, everything is in its place. Everything is very heavy and very well made. There is a million videos on Solo Stove, and this is just 1,000,001 of what you find in here. But just wanted to go through the process. With you. What it looks like. This is for the ashtray catcher. And this is what else is inside here. We got the bottom where it sits. Sounds like a sumo. And that's exactly how I'm gonna pull it right out. So what do we got here?
Stove.
What is it called? The Solo Stove Fire Pit.
Fire pit.
And what are we gonna be doing here?
And this is caution hot.
That's what it says, caution hot. What can we do here?
We can make a fire.
And roast?
Marshmallows.
There you go. So this is what it looks like. Sealed. Or I'm gonna put the cover. Let's go ahead and put the cover. Jose, you know how to put the cover?
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead. Put it on top. So we can see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. Go ahead. Keep going on the other side. Just like that, nice and neat. Protect it from the elements.
And this is how it looks like when you take
This
it
is what
out.
it looks like when it's taut. And now you can take it off, Halsey.
This is how it looks like the stove heater.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this to the side. And then what we'll do is take this out.
And this is how it works.
Get this out. And this is what it looks like. Everything is inside as it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah.
And this, we put it on top.
And those guys, and those holes are for the smoke, for when little crisps fall in the bottom for smoke to come back up, and when you put grass inside, it can make a fire again because smoke has a hydration that is like when you start a fire, it's like it gets the hydration gets like smoky, and then it smells like you got a pepper and then you lighted it, and
Exactly.
then it was like then smoke comes out of the pepper, and then and you know how pepper's hot, right?
Right.
Smoke gets hot, and then because the bubbles in the pepper, and then smoke comes out, and then when you put grass in it, and it catches on fire, and then when you put the wood in, you have a fire.
Great explanation. So now let's put this on, because we put the grate on, and before we put this, actually, we could put this on because it allows you to put these two on together, and this goes faced up, just to show everybody how it looks. You got this. Put it over it. You put this, and these inserts here are to put the marshmallows, to put the sticks, to rest the sticks on when you're roasting the marshmallows. All stainless steel. It's a good idea, right?
Yeah.
And that's what it looks like. Hopefully we'll be using this very soon, right?
Why not tomorrow, Dad?
That's not a bad idea. All right.
We
Say bye to everybody.
bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Or Dad, we should.